VEVOR sent over this backdrop stand and compensated me for this video, but I quickly got it and put it together, which was relatively simple. It used very minimal tools, and so I wanted to let you guys know what I thought about it. The height and width extend to fit different backdrops. It's actually really big. It's a lot larger than I anticipated, but whether it's fabric, paper, or canvas, you can drape it right over it. The base is heavy duty, so it stays put, and the horizontal bar at the bottom adds even more stability. Spring-loaded pin snapped everything together into place, but when it's time to move it, this is where it's really nice. The wheels make it easy to roll without dragging or lifting. So if you need to move it, those wheels are definitely a lifesaver. They do have two brakes on the wheels, so if you want it to stay in place when people kind of bump it, it's not going to move on you. But if you do need to break it down and take it somewhere, it does relatively quickly, and it even has a carrying bag that comes with it too. It measures up to 7 foot by 10 foot, doesn't take up a ton of space. Use it for photos, events, a projector screen. So if you're looking for a backdrop stand that you can take with you, this one might make a great option. So I really hope this helps.